What up, guys? It's the 5'7" man back here again. No intro, kind of more of a serious video. So, a car meet that I like going to, a car meet that I've invited my family to, a car meet that I've gone with one of my friends, has recently got shot up. And I'm just gonna go over the details on what's happened so far and what I know. 2 hospitalized after driver gets mad at car club gathering. Start shooting, police say. At San Antonio, a car meet took a turn for worse after one of the members pulled out a gun on the leaders and started a shooting, according to San Antonio police. The incident happened on 10:40 p.m. on Friday in the parking lot of y'all know where. The police said one of the members started doing a donuts in the parking lot in an effort to prevent unwanted attention. The leader asked the driver to stop. The driver got mad and began shooting, and an unknown person fired additional shots, according to SAPD. Two men were shot in the incident, including the leader. The suspects fled the scene in a light-colored BMW and a black BMW. One of the victims was a 33-year-old man, was taken to the hospital by a friend. The other victim was a 31-year-old man transported by EMS. Both men are in stable condition. So as y'all just heard in the article, sadly in a San Antonio car meet, it was gotten shut up. Now, what really makes me upset, I've invited my mother to these car meets. I've invited my friends. I've gone with several friends. There's probably several videos on this channel of me going to this car meet here in San Antonio. And the fact is that, it was some stupid guy trying to prove something. It's not a takeover, all right? It's not a race day event. It's not a roadkill night. Donuts are not allowed, all right? Whether you like it or not. I get it, we like to get rowdy. I understand it. I understand that. But taking it to that level, and yeah, the article was stupid. They called it a race car club and the leader and then the whole crew. Like, my main problem is it says right here that the man shot at a crowd. And shout out to the unknown person that fired back, trying to protect his friends, possibly his family. You guys, y'all really need to be careful out here. The sad thing is when you're in the southern Texas area, I'm talking anything like Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, El Paso, we have a lot of violence like this. And every day and every year, it grows more and more. Or sadly, like other states, the gun violence tries to go down, but here in Texas, it's spreading where it's more public, where mass shootings are happening. I mean, I think it was 2 weeks ago, they found a trailer of 47 dead people here in San Antonio, near the Walmart I go to work by. That's crazy. I don't know what's wrong. I guess this dude was just trying to prove something. I just guess he was trying to go out there. The man was doing his due diligence. He was trying to protect the meat. As the host, you can get in trouble if wild stuff starts happening. So he's out there trying to keep himself out of trouble. You can't get mad at the man. And the fact is, you want to just go and start popping shots at everybody? What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? I'm just so glad, I always take Jonathan to this meet. I'm so glad that I didn't. I'm so glad that I worked last night and I couldn't go to the meet. Because sometimes Sometimes I do work and do go to the meets because I don't have a video planned and I've got to get a video out every week so I can have a video out. And then imagine if I went and this guy happened. Imagine if I had my mother with me. Imagine if I had my sister with me, bro. I'm thankful that the 2 victims are survived. I'm thankful that I worked. I'm thankful that I didn't still have any desire to go. I'm thankful that I already had a video planned for this week. I'm thankful for all that. I'm thankful. That's crazy, bro. I'm kind of lost in my words. I'm lost into what to say, just because this puts a bad quotation and a bad name on the car scene. Truthfully, everybody's gonna start looking at us like we're all hitters, bro. Like we're all killers now, because man out here shot because he couldn't take a criticism. That's the major thing, man. Couldn't take criticism, man. So he out here had to pop shots. Now listen, every community will have bad people, whether it's Christianity, football players, basketball players, the car scene, anything, any kind of community, name it, there will always be a rotten seed within that community. And sometimes that rotten seed will grow into a weed amongst flowers. And that's weeds' one and only goal is destroy all the beautiful flowers around. The one thing we got to remember is to not let them bother us. Don't listen to what the media says. Don't listen to what people say. We stay strong. It's together. Listen, we can prove that the San Antonio car scene isn't rough, isn't crazy. That now the police are trying to paint a picture that, we're a race car club meet, that members, leaders, it ain't really like that. Y'all know it's not really like that. It's not a Fast and Furious movie, guys. Stay strong. Keep on moving forward. Prayer goes out to the victims. Y'all stay safe. The 5-7 men out.